Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. The Eagle's Nest Castle is one of the symbols of my channel. If White Rock Castle represents my creativity in general, the Eagle's Nest Castle is the seal I put on my YouTube project, that is this very channel. Thanks to this series, in fact, I created the first really themed videos, allowing the community to follow me and get to know me step by step with each episode. For quality reason, however, I had removed these episodes from the channel, leaving only a great summary, a crafting marathon which you can still find among the other videos. In any case, I consider this material very important and very valid from the point of view of fantasy modeling, so I decided to do an insane job of remastering the old videos and to give you the whole journey in full version. It was the year 2018, the audio quality has been improved but I couldn't work miracles. Sure, the microphone wasn't working or was sometimes not placed correctly. After all, they were my first steps into the world of YouTube videos. I hope you can still appreciate its artistic, historical and emotional value and that has then some of you come close to this crazy crafter in love with fantasy. That being said, enjoy the video.